Welcome to Chem 100, Fundamentals of Chemistry. I'm Dr. Terrell. I'll be your instructor for this course. I should remind you that it is a blended course, and you should know that all blended courses have two components. The days in the virtual class are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 to 1:50, and the online class is on Blackboard. All of the activities, everything that you'll need to know is on Blackboard on the Chem 100 course site. Some of the things that we want to just ask ourselves and reflect on: how does matter come together, break apart, and reorganize? What is the role of energy in the interactions of matter? How can this chemical knowledge be applied to other areas of the natural sciences? We want to make sure that you have some knowledge of chemistry when you leave at the end of the semester, particularly about the role of the periodic table and understanding elements and compounds and chemical reactions. You want to be able to predict how atoms gain and lose and share electrons to form compounds. You want to explore some of the quantitative relationships, calculate energy changes for chemical processes, and we want to understand the methods that scientists use. And then we want to apply those more broadly to the natural sciences. Course learning activities include the textbook itself. There will be textbook readings and also activities. The textbook is listed there as 21st Century Chemistry by Kim Walton. You can obtain that by clicking on the left tab menu, or the left menu, clicking on the tab Textbook First Day. We'll have Blackboard discussions, which are required 1 a week for your reflections and thoughts. Blackboard module assignments, there will be 3 to 4 every 2 weeks. Collaborative project, there will be 1 of those. We'll talk more about that in the course. An independent PowerPoint project of your own choosing related to chemistry, and then there will be online tests, of course, for this course. If you need to ask a question on the Zoom class, if you'll note, please, the class expectations. All of the links to the Zoom class are given on those course expectations. You'll need to open those and go with those, but I have office hours and special sessions that you may want to note. Also, you can always reach me at the student email, which I prefer. It's chemterrell@gmail.com. For course content questions, of course, you're going to go out to Blackboard, Chem 100 course. ACE also has a good tutoring program if you want to go out to that site. If you need help with Blackboard or either technical or just online student support, you'll note the numbers there that you can call. I think we'll have a good semester. Your next steps are simply to go out to the Chem 100 course on Blackboard. You want to click on the Start Here left-hand menu, and then you want to complete the listed assignments, which are 2 or 3 there. Review and sign the course schedule so you know where we're going, the syllabus documents, which will give you more detailed information, and then you want to complete the course expectation document, including the academic integrity policy at NCCC, and you want to complete those all as assignments. That'll be crucial early in the course that you know how to do assignments and complete the assignments. I believe we'll have a good semester. I wish you the best in all things, and look forward to interacting in the course.